guys, I'm Oscar with OG Motorworks, and today I'm going to show you how to take off a door handle off of a 2016 Porsche Macan S. The tools that you are going to need are going to be a little plastic pry bar like this, a Torx T20, and a little angled screwdriver like this. I found it works really good. So, first thing you want to do is, of course, take off the trim and the door panel. So the way you do this, you get your plastic pry tool, you just pry up, sometimes they get a little tough to remove. There you go. Okay, and they have little hooks on the back, so you just slide it back and out it comes. Okay. Then the next thing you need to do is remove this plastic cover right underneath the door handle lever. The best way I found to do this is take your plastic pry tool, push it up right here, and out it comes. It has little clips that look like this, and a little hook like this, so real easy to take out. And then another screw, it's going to be right here. All you have to do, pop this out, there we go. Sometimes these covers like to clip off, but they're really easy to put back together. And then take your T-Torx, you start unscrewing. There's a screw right here. That's one. And there's three up here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and after that, the door panel is very easy to take off. All you gotta do is kneel down, put your knee underneath, and push up. Oh, there's one more right here. Sorry. I'm used to taking off the back ones already. That's another one. Missed that one. There we go. Very easy. Then you come back here. You undo the cable for the door handle. All you have to do is pull these clips, push these clips together, pull it back and out. Then out it comes. Just like this. Okay? And then you just take all these plugs off. Very simple to do. Do it by one hand, and there you go. Door panel is off. I'm gonna go put this in the safe spot. Okay. So then the next thing is you want to go ahead and remove this part. This black cover. You don't have to take it off all the way, just enough to get your hand back here. and you want to get this plug, take your plastic pry tool, stick it right here, and now it comes. Okay? And this is where the harder part comes into play, where you have to, better if I show you on this door handle. Let's get this. So the way that this cover right here is underneath the door handle, obviously, okay? So this slides in right here, and there's a lock that slides back and forth. Can you zoom in closer on here? I'm gonna activate the lock. And you see these little tabs right here? They lock into place right here. So all you have to get in from the inside of the door panel and the door, and push this with your screwdriver right here until it unlocks. And then that way, this just easily comes out. And then I'll show you how to remove the rest of that door handle. You also want to make sure that the window is rolled up. As you can see, it's a very tight fit. Then simply comes off, and you push the door handle like this, out, and out she comes. There you have it. That's how you remove a door handle on a Porsche Macan S. Thank you.